Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today we read our chapter and our chapter name is Plants, Kitchen Leaves. Let's come start our chapter. It's chapter number 30, Plants, Kitchen Leaves. Look Sachin, these leaves different in their shapes and size. Do all plants have kinds of leaves? Yes, leaves is different plants, different now leaves. The most important part of plant is our leaves. Most of the plants have green leaves. The green color of the leaves is due to the presence of green coloring material known as chlorophyll, part of leaves. The flat part of the leaf is called leaf tip. It is leaf tip. Leaf blade in the middle of the leaf is a midvein. The number of side veins arise from midveins. The veins bring water to leaves. There are tiny holes on the lower surface of the leaves which are called stomata. Now, the stem. It usually grows above the ground and forms the stem remains soft and tender, but its water becomes hard and woody and it's called trim. It is a short stalk bar which is leaf blade and attract to the now importance of leaf. The leaf is called the food factory or the kitchen of the plant. Leaves make food for a plant. As the main food making part is almost all the plants, it prepares its own food by the process known as photosynthesis. Second one is they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen through stomata in their leaves. Plants also get rid or excess of water through stomata in their leaves. Most of the plants bear a lot of leaves which differ in colors, shape, and texture. Some plants have light green leaves, some have dark green, while some of the plants have even yellow, red, and purple leaves. Moreover, margins of the different leaves are different from each other. Some have straight margins and some uneven. Some of these margins even looks like a saw. Besides, different leaves small differently when they are in the winter season. We can see lots of leaves on the ground because most of the tree shades their leaves in winter. Some people burn those leaves to clean the space or use as fuel, but those leaves should be used to prepare compost, which is very useful to grow the plants. जो leaves नीचे गिर जाती हैं plants से winter season में उनसे compost बनाया जाता है जो बहुत ज़्यादा beneficial होता है plants को grow करने में. Now, plant leaves for us. We eat leaves of many plants as vegetable like cabbage. Spanish leaves of several plants are used as fodder for cutter the animals. The most common drink is tea. Tea is nothing but dried leaf of a plant. tea जो चाय होती है वो हम सभी पीते हैं वो एक सूखी हुई पत्ती होती है. Neem and tulsi leaves are used as sources of medicine. We decorate our house with different leaves of many occasions like wedding and religious festival. Like mango trees and all, अशोका ट्रीज, इससे हम क्या अपने घर को डेकोरेट करते हैं. Many kinds of festivals. We use some plants as ornamental plants as they have beautiful colored leaves, for example, clone and cotyledons, etc. From this, here is a picture given of a leaf tree, cotyledons and clone trees. Our chapter has been completed. It's time to point to remember the most important part of the plant is leaf. The green color of the leaves is due to presence of green coloring material known as chlorophyll. The leaves is called the food factory. Different leaves have different shapes, color, texture, small and medium. Leaves from some plants are eaten as vegetables. More compost should be prepared from leaves. From this, our chapter has been completed. I hope you all are understood and enjoying this chapter. It's enough for today. Thank you.